Simulation is designed for the marketing strategy, marketing management, and capstone marketing courses. It exposes the participant to all the aspects of modern marketing. The decision content includes marketing opportunity analysis, brand development, advertising, pricing, and sales force management decisions. It also includes profitability projections and profitability analysis decisions. The game is set for 8 quarters or decision rounds, with each round taking 30 minutes to 2 hours to complete. A large international electronics firm has decided to enter the microcomputer business. You are managing its new marketing division, which has been formed to pursue this business opportunity. You will be responsible for introducing a new line of microcomputers into 12 international markets. Within the next 8 quarters or decision periods, headquarters expects you to build a self-sufficient and profitable division. There are 5 market segments to serve in the PC market. Each segment has different needs and requires a different marketing strategy to appeal to it. The balanced scorecard is the most important measure of your division's total performance. It evaluates your performance in all areas of business to produce a total score. You will need to be able to watch your score throughout the exercise. You will need to analyze the initial market research data. You will review the customer needs for each segment, ranked in terms of their importance. Additional information will tell you how the customers will use their computers, what price they are willing to pay, what the market potential and media preferences are for each segment. After you have analyzed the market research, you will need to decide on your initial market strategy. Part of this strategy will be to select your primary and secondary target segments. You will design a product for each of your target segments. The design process will include naming your product and selecting its features from the list of available components. Later on, you will be able to invest in research and development of new components. Although expensive, these new components will enable you to design new products that will better meet the needs of your target customers. You will be able to design several ads and link them with specific brands or use them to advertise for the company as a whole. The ad design process will include naming the ad and selecting which benefits will be mentioned. You will then indicate how many times you want your ads to appear in the media during the quarter. You will be able to advertise in regional magazines and local newspapers in order to more tightly focus your message to specific segments. Before you price your product, you will review the estimated production costs. You will use this information along with the price willing to pay information from market research when deciding on prices. In the future, you will also consider competitors' pricing. The next step will be to price your products. You may also offer a rebate to entice price-conscious customers. Entering a sales priority will tell your sales staff which brands should have the most selling emphasis. You will specify which sales offices you wish to open. You will start with 1 or 2 offices and then expand in the future. Note both the setup cost and the lease cost associated with each location. You will hire salespeople for your sales offices. Be aware of the annual compensation per salesperson in each city. You can also train some of your salespeople to focus on a specific segment or service support. The extra training cost is listed in the table. Later on, you will be able to offer special training programs and sales contests to further motivate your sales force. As you make your business decisions, the expenses or investments will be posted to the appropriate accounting ledger. When you estimate the number of units to sell in the current quarter and the average price across all the regions, you will be able to prepare the profitability projections for your division. These projections will reflect all of your expenses and projected revenues during the current quarter. After each decision period, you will review the profitability report. This report summarizes your revenues, expenses, and profits to date. You will also receive a brand profitability report, which will show the revenue and expenses that can be assigned to a particular brand. Additionally, the Creation of Wealth report will summarize the corporate headquarters' return on its investment to date. Throughout the exercise, you will receive an assortment of feedback information for your marketing division to review. You will find out how customers reacted to your marketing activities, as well as those of your competitors. You will see how your decisions have affected your division financially. You will also learn about the strategic and tactical decisions of your competitors. You will receive detailed market demand and market share reports. You will review the information about your demand and revenues. You will receive detailed feedback about the quality of your marketing decisions. The brand judgment measures how much a market segment likes the design of each brand on a scale from 0 to 100. The ad judgment will help you analyze the quality of your ad designs. The price judgment will tell you how satisfied the customers were with the price of each brand on the market. Additional information that you receive with the results will include details about your competitors' demand, brand designs, prices, ad campaigns, sales office locations, and Salesforce decisions. In the course of the exercise, you will continually analyze your results and improve your strategy and tactics. You will expand your brand assortment and enter into new markets with the goal of increasing your market share and profits. The decision content will be gradually expanded as the game progresses. After the last decision round, you will be presented with your final performance score. The score will be based on the cumulative balanced scorecard for the last 4 quarters.